Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itong inyong energy update for May 1 to 15, 2025. So we will see what's coming to you. Energy update. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Pa-follow na rin sa aking Facebook, same lang din, Mr. Queen PH. And also sa TikTok din. Okay, Sag. What's up? Ano ang update sa inyo? Tingnan natin muna tong Astro Dice. For Sagittarius, May 1 to 15, you have 10th house, Mercury in Capricorn. Wow. Marami kayong kausap. Pwedeng kausap to sa negosyo, kausap sa trabaho. I also see good news coming in sa inyong career. Maaari ring merong training. Meron kayong training ngayong first half ng May sa workplace or sa business ninyo that will improve your knowledge, your skills. So talagang focus ka kasi, no? Ang nakikita ko rito, gusto mong ma-promote. So ginagawa mo lahat ng best mo para makapag-aral, ma-improve yung knowledge, yung skills mo sa trabaho or even sa business. Kung ano man tong source of income mo. So, Capricorn energy in the 10th house, very disciplined, no? Talagang may structure ka sa buhay. Kumbaga, alam mo kung ano yung next step mo. Ino-organize mo lahat to make things happen for you. For your career, for your business. So, you have, Eagle Guide. I think merong mentorship dito. So, maaring merong tutulong sa'yo. Mag-share ng knowledge sa'yo, ng skills sa'yo. To guide you through. Also, joy, hummingbird. Something is going to make you feel happy ngayong first half ng May. I think dahil maganda yung na-achieve mo pagdating sa career, sa trabaho mo. And I think na-enjoy mo yung ginagawa mo. You also have desert. So, this is being resilient. Pagkakaroon ng lakas. Pagiging adaptable na kahit merong challenges sa buhay, kayang-kaya mong lusutan. Kung ano yung needs mo, nagagawan mo ng paraan. Parang meron kang tina-target, no? Meron kang tina-target na goal or gusto mong puntahan or marating. Oo. So, I think, gagawan mo ng paraan to. You are going to do your research to learn more about this place at kung paano mo ma-achieve yung goal na yon. That's why, very open-minded ka ngayon. Marami kang, kumbaga, you are determined. Determinado ka. So, kaya gusto mong maraming matutunan at malaman. Wow, you have that chariot. Ang ganda ng energy na to kasi ito ay dire-diretso. Dire-diretsong pag-angat, dire-diretsong pag-unlad. This is triumph, success. You also have the Four of Cups. I think kasi yung iba sa inyo sa sitwasyon nyo, hindi pa kayo ganun ka-fulfilled. Meron pa kayong gustong ma-achieve sa buhay na talagang kung inspired kayo at determinado kayong makuha yon, walang makakapigil sa inyo Oo. Wala. You have the Five of Wands, palaban ang energy ninyo. Kung meron kayong business, maaring maraming competition, no? Sa negosyo, ang hirap rin na umangat kasi kailangan dyan patibayan, palakasan ng loob at pagdating sa diskarte, dapat alam mo kung ano yung actions na gagawin mo para mangibabaw lalo na kung marami kang kakompetensya. So, talagang palaban. Oh, you have the Ten of Cups. This is happiness, fulfillment, and then the Eight of Swords. May mga times na nagsi-self-pity ka or ah, parang nililimitahan mo yung sarili mo dahil sa iniisip mo na hindi mo kaya, or you might be comparing your situation sa iba. Kaya lang kasi, the moment na i-compare mo na yung sarili mo sa buhay ng iba, sa path ng iba, pwede kasing yun yung maging dahilan para ma-depress ka or mag-overthink ka ng situation mo. Kanya-kanya kasi tayo ng journey, 'di ba? Kanya-kanyang journey. So, yung chapter 1 mo ay hindi mo pwedeng ikumpara sa chapter 20 ng iba. Kasi chapter 20 na sila, ikaw chapter 1 pa lang. So, focus on your goals. Kasi ma-achieve mo naman yun, no? There is happiness here. There is fulfillment. You will reach that destination as long as focus ka. Sabi nga, you have to keep your eye on the prize. A journey, either physical or mental. So, yung iba sa inyo, itong journey na to may kinalaman sa travel. Can be traveling to a different place. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo magtatrabaho abroad sa Middle East. Yung nakikita ko rito kasi may disyerto. Pwede rin tong pagbili ng sasakyan. Maring bibili kayo ng sasakyan. Can be short travel as well. You have, may temptation. Temptation will test you. So, itong temptation na to, sa maraming pwedeng maging temptation. Pwedeng sa pagkain, pwedeng sa, alam mo na, relationship na, or situationship na alam mo hindi makakabuti para sa'yo. Or sa pera, 'di ba? So, you have to be careful and maging aware ka sa paligid mo na lahat ng choices mo may consequences yan. 'Di ba? So, you have to, kailangan pag-isipan mong maigi yung mga choices mo sa buhay. Kasi pag nakapag-decision ka na, na-execute mo na, nagawa mo na, ayun na, nagro-roll na yung resulta niyan for you. And syempre, ayaw mo naman na pagsisihan yung naging decision mo. So, you have to be wise. And then, affairs with your family. So, maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayong reunion na aatenan or meron kayong event within the family na kailangan yung asikasuhin. I see mga properties rin pwedeng pinag-uusapan yung mana. Archway, new opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up. So, I see this as path pagdating sa career mo kasi meron ka ritong 10th house energy that is opening up a new career or a new opportunity to earn money or pwedeng opportunity for a new experience. Lalo na kung you will be traveling. Pwede magta-travel ka sa isang place na hindi mo pa napuntahan before. And yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng joy, ng excitement. Yung iba, Middle Eastern place. Opportunities are waiting for you. So, there is a door opening up for you. Sagittarius, ang ganda nito. Kumbaga parang wini-welcome ka to a new path. Alam mo yun, di ba mayroong pathway dito tapos may door na nag-o-open. So, parang hinihintay ka lang. Okay, let's see. Ano tong journey na to? 5th house. I feel like itong journey na to is related to dating. Pwedeng you will be dating someone or you will be spending time with your kids kung may mga anak ka na. Pupunta kayo sa amusement park. Ano tong temptation na to? May temptation sa trabaho. Masyadong malawak but iba-iba yan, but related to sa trabaho yung temptation. Affairs in your family, 10th house. So, maaring meron ditong pag-uusapan kung sino yung mag-handle ng negosyo, no? Para sa may mga negosyo dyan, family business. Archway, 8th house. This is a new beginning. May endings kasi, new beginning. So, maaring meron kang iiwanan na situation to start something new. 12th house, opportunities are waiting for you. Itong 12th house, this is about spirituality or yung inyong spiritual awakening, new belief system. So, maaring may nagbabago sa'yo spiritually, sa iyong, it's like an inner discovery as well, okay? Meron kang madidiscover na something new about yourself. You are the truth seeker, awakening, actualizing, and transcending. How can you invite more grace to guide you? See, you are awakening. You are transcending. Truth seeker. So, hinahanap mo yung katotohanan sa sitwasyon mo on which path to take, kung saan ka masaya, at kung ano yung mga sitwasyon na gusto mo pang maintindihan moving forward. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.